Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik. So yesterday I sent out a signal, actually two signals, but one got cancelled, but another one we got to take the profit. So well done everyone, congratulations on your profits. So today I will take you through a little recap on what happened yesterday, why did I send out those signals, and we'll make a new plan together. Alright, so let's go straight to the charts. This is exactly where we were yesterday, and if you remember, I said that we have this significant supports at 1835 in this time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame and also the 4 hours time frame as well. Alright, but in this 1 hour time frame, if we drop down to another one, which is the 30 minutes time frame, we will have this pattern, alright, which is the QM pattern. What is it? It will be a QM pattern once the price have made a higher high than this one, okay, and also break this trend line in the 30 minutes time frame. So when we got this pattern, I will use my Fibonacci retracement to find the entry point, and what I've got here, if you remember in my last video, it will be somewhere here at 1838 to 1836 point something. So that's the first order that I sent out. So 1838 to 1835. Why is that? Because if you remember, this 1835 is the significant supports. So I used this top border to the supports that we've got. But what happened was the price came down really close and shoot back up to almost our take profit point, and we did not have the order because it did not match our pending order. That's why I announced in our Telegram that okay, we need to cancel this order, and if something's changed, I will keep you updated. So this order is cancelled, but what happened afterwards is that in the 15 minutes time frame, we have this. In the 30 minutes time frame, if you remember, we have this tiny little demand zone as well. Alright, and let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So in this 15 minutes time frame, the price tends to like coming back to where we were waiting, but we need to update our entry point anyway. I see this is the high twice pattern that we have in our courses, which is the Bravo Gold strategy. The price could come down and make something like this, so I use my Fibonacci extension here. Okay, so that's the three prices that I gave you. So the first one was at 1837 point something, okay. The second point was at 1836, and the last one was at 1834. So that's three of the Fibonacci extensions that I used. Alright, so that's the reason that we enter the second plan. If we place an order here, our take profit was at 1843 and stop loss at 32. So there we go, that's our order, and let's see what happened. The price came down, matched our first order, almost reached our second order, okay, and it shoot back up. There we go, we got to take the profit. So yay, happy, right? Well done everyone on sticking on the plan. Really, you really deserve it. So that's done for yesterday. Let's see what's my perspective for today. So we need to go back up to the daily time frame. Alright, so the yesterday's candlestick did not tell much. It might be because it was a bank holiday in the US, so the volume is not quite, on, and we didn't have that much of a volume to make the price move. Okay, so that's why the price did not really move much yesterday. So today candlestick, it is very tricky to tell if it's going to be a bullish or a bearish, or it might continue to be a sideways for the whole day. Alright, so in the daily time frame, we don't have anything new, just the same thing that we have our significant support at 1810 and resistance at 1870. Alright, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. We still have the same structure here. Alright, which is an uptrend. If the price did not make a lower low than this swing low, it could go back up at any time. And if you remember, we have this supply zone in the 4 hours time frame. Alright, and also this one. Okay, and if I use my Fibonacci extension, that's gonna be around the price where we need to be careful if we are on buying. Okay, so that's the significant plan if the price make a classic divergence as well here. So at 1834 around to 1872. Okay, so that's the bigger plan for selling. And if you're buying gold, you need to close your position before this plan comes, right? What about the demand zone in the 4 hours time frame? I would say that this one is a demand zone, but it's quite far. It's quite far, so we need to drop down another time frame. Okay, so in this time frame, we will have this demand zone, the closer one in the 1 hour time frame. All right, so in this time frame, I have this as well, which is the high twice in our Bravo Gold strategy course. So the price could do something like this, all right, from this pattern. So if it comes back down, we will be waiting here and there. So that's the first plan for buying at 1831 to 1828. But we do have our low twice as well. Okay, so if this happens, we do have our supply zone here. I use my extension again, so that's the selling plan at around 1848 to 1853. So that's the rough plan for today. Beautiful. They are not confirmed, so I will monitor the graph and send you confirming signals on our Telegram, which is the BUBI project. If you haven't joined us, please do so. I will leave the register link down below as well. You can make it online and just send us the filled form and we will let you in. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the BUBI project. Bye!